Dripping out of the drains. There'd be a lot of wasted water. We left it that way. We're gonna check the rest out now. All right, here's the flow sensor, this gray wire. Be a little careful with that. It's got its own little brain box. Head control. Next, take this side out. Here's the little keepers for the back side that I took off at the house. Take this head apart. These clamps are pretty easy. Not much to them. What I'm gonna make sure, is that I put it back together the same way so it's still in time with the other side. So you got the clean side up there. When I put it back together, I need to make sure I put that all the same way. I got this bigger side down. And I guess as long as we don't turn this head here, we should be good. Okay, so this is part of the head valve. It's got pretty good grooves in there all the way around. I got a little leak. I am gonna put this in the lathe and smooth it up. 2 hands. Then the white side, the Teflon side, I'm just gonna do a little sanding on this flat surface. That one's pretty rough. Got a pretty good gouge there. Gasket, kind of the same way. Takes them off. We got those sanded down. So I started using a file, and that's how out we are. That looks a lot better. So there again, the smooth part is what I'm taking off. That's how out of shape it is. That looks pretty good. Okay, we'll see if it works. So this unit had leaked by there and out the drain. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it through a few cycles to see. Well, it looked like that did it. And the hose is barely dripping, slowing down. We got nothing there. Okay, so I got the new eductor salt part. Piece of rubber. $21 for that. Okay, I got it all hooked up in the shop. This is the part I've been waiting for. Okay, this has got an 032 on, and it's got an 032, but they look a little different. I don't know. Okay, so mine's got that little rubber restrictor in there. And we'll put this back in. And I decided to put the factory one of these back in. I'll put it back online. Hold that. Force it into a regen here. Make sure she works. So I need to go to the 4th step. So this would be filling. I did the 2nd. Third. easy. Yeah, that should be the brine step. Now it should be sucking the water down. And it looks like it is. Sweet. So it's doing what it's supposed to do now. It's got suction. We'll put it back in there. You can hear it sucking now. Yeah, we should be good to go. Now it's salt water already, pretty saturated. So I got into the service mode, and that's how many gallons have gone through it total. Just switch to backwash now. 1.8 gallon a minute for backwash. Well, that's a wrap. I just got done regening, and we're put her in service. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you made it this far, thanks for bearing with me on this. I tried to make it as short as I could.